So let's now see how we can insert one node at a specific position in the singly linked list. So currently this is the linked list. Here we have 3 nodes and the last node is pointing to null. So let's now see how we can insert one new node with the value 400 at a specific position. So suppose in this case we wanted to insert in this position, so in the position 3. So to do that we have to use one temporary pointer. This will initially point to the first node. Now we're going to use this temporary pointer and we have to traverse before the third position. That means we have to reach till the second position. And now we're going to create this new node with the value 400. The link is null. So now here we have to set the link. So the new node link will be set to this node. So that means we have to set this new node link will be this temporary link. So because temporary pointer is pointing to this node, so we are basically connecting the new node link to this temporary link. And now we have to set this link. So here because temporary pointer is pointing to this node, so we have to set the temporary link and this will point to this newly created node. So we're gonna set the new node. So this link will be removed and this will not be null anymore. So first of all we have created this link and then we have set this link. And now if we traverse from this head node, and you can see first of all we reach this node, then this node, and then we're gonna reach this node and then the last node. So we have successfully inserted that at the position 3. So here we're gonna create the function to insert node at a specific position in the linked list. So the function will return one struct node type pointer. So we're gonna call the function insert at position. So the first parameter it will take is the struct node type pointer head, and then it will take the data that we wanted to store in the new node, and the third parameter is the position where we wanted to insert the new node. So first of all we're gonna create this new node with the data. We're gonna create the new node. So struct node type pointer. So we're gonna call this new node, and to allocate the memory we're gonna use this malloc to dynamically allocate the memory, and also we're gonna set the data. So new node arrow data. So the data will be the data that we pass as a parameter to the function. So we have done with creating the new node. So the first condition is we have to check if the position is the first position. So here we're gonna check if the position is 1. That means we have to insert the node at the beginning of the linked list. So we have discussed about that in earlier video, how we can insert one node at the beginning of the list, and also we have written one function for that. So if the position is 1, then we can just simply call the function insert at beginning, and here we're gonna pass the head node and the data, and then here we're gonna return the head node that will be returned. So it will return the head node. So this will return the head node after inserting the new node at the beginning, and then we're just gonna return the head. Now in a case this is not the first position, in that case we have to reach to that specific position. So for that we're gonna use the temporary pointer. So here we have to reach specific position. So here we're gonna create the temporary pointer which will be initially pointing to the head. So our temporary pointer was initially pointing to head, and then we have to traverse to that specific position. So for that we can use one loop. So we're gonna use the for loop. I will be starting from 1 before the position, so position -1. Also we're gonna check if the position is valid or not. So we're gonna run this loop as long as the temporary pointer is not equal null, and also we're gonna increment the I by 1. So we're gonna start from 1, we're gonna stop before the position, so position -1. So because we wanted to insert at the third position, so we have to stop at the second position. And also we are checking if the temporary not equal null. That is just to check for the invalid position. So suppose we have passed the position 5, this is a invalid position. So for that we have to check if the temporary pointer is null or not. So inside the loop we're gonna move the temporary pointer. So temporary equal temporary arrow link. So in each iteration we're gonna move the temporary pointer to the next node pointer. So after the end of this loop, either we can reach to that specific position or we can reach to one invalid position which is out of the linked list. So here we're gonna check for invalid position. So if the temporary pointer is null, then we're gonna print invalid position. So in that case we have to free this new node. So we're gonna free that memory that is allocated by the new node, and then we're just gonna return the head. So in a case everything is alright, we have a valid position. So in that case here we're gonna perform the insertion. So to insert the new node, we have to apply this algorithm. So first of all we have to create this link. So the new node arrow link, so the new node will point to the temporary arrow link. So that means we have created this link. Now we have to create this link. So the temp arrow link will point to the new node. So now we have successfully inserted this new node at a specific position. So now all you have to do is we have to return the head pointer. So let's now call this function. So here we're gonna call the function insert at a specific position. So the first parameter is we have to pass the head, then the data, and we wanted to insert that at the position 3. So first of all we're gonna print the linked list, then we're gonna insert that new node at a specific position at the position 3. After the modification we're gonna print the linked list again. So let's just see how that works. So we're gonna run this. So here you can see this is the linked list before the insertion, and you can see after the insertion you can see 400 is inserted at the position 3. So this way we can insert a node at a specific position in the singly linked list. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.